All right, so we're gonna go ahead and prep up this brisket for July 4th. We're gonna smoke it on the smoker for about, I don't know, somewhere between 16 and 20 hours. We're gonna trim up all this fat. Unfortunately, Costco had a subpar brisket. You can kind of tell that it's not flush there, so we're gonna do our best with what we got. Costco, I may be coming by to get my money back. I'm gonna leave a little bit of the fat cap. Some people like more, some people like less. I think the fat renders itself into the meat. I like to go fat up instead of fat down. There's a big controversy on that. My buddy George, he likes to go fat down. I don't know if that's a California thing. Try not to lose a finger here.
Do they all usually come with this much fat or no?
Yeah, I mean, a good fat cap on it's pretty good. Get in there, massage the meat really well, get into all the nooks and crannies. Just don't get a little carried away. There's some laws against it. All right, then we're gonna flip it. I personally like to go with the salt first and then the pepper to get a nice pepper crust, but you can do it however you want. Again, some pink sea salt, freshly ground, and some black salt, and then some pepper. Flip this bad boy over. And since it's gonna go fat up, it'll be in position right now to move it to the grill here in a second, to the smoker. A little more black pepper on the top side. There's all kinds of rubs out there that you can get on the market, this and that, but personally, salt and pepper and a little binder of some sort is the classic way to go. You can't go wrong. Stay true to your roots. Go classic if you can. So we're gonna take this out to the smoker. The muscle man Edward is gonna carry it out for us because it's a little too heavy for me. This is what Ed's been training his whole life for. We just got a little New Brunswick smoker out here. It's currently sitting at about 230, 235 on the temperature. I like to smoke it between 225 and 250 for whatever the length is, depending on the size of the brisket. We're gonna lay that in there nice and gentle. We're gonna go ahead and cover that up, and we'll be back in a little bit to check it out. All right, so we're just coming out here to check the brisket real quick. Let's check the fire. Fire's looking good. It's currently sitting at about 225, 250. Things are looking nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that smoke just envelope that meat. Again, this was a subpar prime brisket from Costco, but we're gonna make do. 15-pound brisket, so I'm probably gonna do it for about maybe 18, 20 hours. Tomorrow about 9 o'clock, I'm gonna wrap it up into peach paper, put it back on the smoker for a few hours, and then take it over to my buddy's house around 1:30. We're gonna eat around 2. We're gonna slice it according to competition rules. Just a little dry run. Good morning. We're finishing up the brisket that we're doing. One of the things I like to do for the last several hours is use some nice coffee beans. I put them on the coals, and then what they do is they lightly envelope the meat for a few hours right before I wrap it in the paper to put back on the grill. All right, we're gonna go ahead and unwrap the brisket. It's been chilling here in the paper for a while inside the cooler, and got some nice flecks on that. Oh yeah. Hey, look at that. Look how juicy and tender that sucker is. Nice thin slice like that. Put it on some bread, make a sandwich. That's what you call love. All right, so last night we cooked up some swordfish, and when we get just enough likes, we'll post the recipe. We get 10 likes. we'll post the swordfish recipe so you guys can do a little wow number on your lady. Thanks for tuning in to One Last Bite. Stay tuned for what the future has in store for you.